here bringing you a Savvy Mineral makeup tutorial. I will walk through the foundation, the blush, the bronzer, the eyeshadow, the multitasker, and all the ways that I apply it and use it. Remember that there's lots more colors, so you can go into the website with your Young Living membership and check out the different colors. Have fun with it, have fun playing around with it. These are the ones that I use on a regular basis. I've been using this makeup for 10 months. I'm so grateful to Young Living for their Savvy Mineral makeup line. It's just another way that I can protect myself from the toxic chemicals and junk that is in conventional makeup. This stuff has helped my skin to heal from my acne-prone ways, and I am thankful that it's beautiful and easy to use, and I'm excited to be sharing more about how I use it with you. If you have any questions, please ask. Also know I'm no professional. I'm doing this the way that I know is the easiest, so don't feel like you need to be a professional to use this makeup. Enjoy, have fun, and if you have any questions on each of the videos, I'll make sure that I'll come back and answer them for you. Enjoy, thank you, bye.